Guys, so we are in a cab on the way to the train station, and we had a really easy night last night. We stayed up a little too late, but you know, vacation. And yeah, we've got a 6-hour train ride today, and then we are in Haridwar to celebrate Diwali. Yay! We're on the train. I just journaled, so I'm gonna try to journal as much as I can, but it seems like most of my journaling is going to be done. Yeah, I wrote down most of what happened the last couple of days, and Liverpool is vamping, and Sarah and Amanda are watching a movie. I can't take my eyes off the windows except for when I journal for a few minutes, so. Okay, I'm sorry you guys, I was hungry and I already destroyed a lot of it, but I'm basically having a veg ball of some sort on bread, and then butter and jam, and it came with some peas and another veg ball. It's really good actually. Alright guys, so we have like, I don't know, maybe less than an hour for this, 40 minutes? About 30 minutes. Ooh, about a half an hour until we are done with this train ride.
I have your splitter.
Okay, perfect, that's fine. And then we are going to Haridwar, which is where we're going to celebrate Diwali, and I'm very, very excited. Probably going to rest for a little while, but I will show you some video when we get there. The train ride was really nice. I was quite impressed by how comfortable this train ride was. So,
Yes.
yeah. I will catch you guys.
We got the new bottles now.
We're in Tuk-tuk. Yeah, keep all hands and arms inside the vehicle. Okay, so we are in Haridwar and we're going to the roof.
Oh, they call that philodendron.
These stairs are kind of steep, but they're kind of cool.
Wow!
Oh, wow! Huh. Wow! Ah! What?
Wow!
Wow!
Alright, we gotta take a picture of here.
They don't have to, like other birds, they don't have to fly.
They can just glide. Like a kite.
Yeah, like a kite.
Yeah, they're just soaring. They're not really flapping at all.
Hey guys, okay, so we are in Haridwar. We just went up to the rooftop and had a quick little break up there, and now we are in our room, and this is the door right here. And then when you come in the room, as of right now, it's just our stuff on the floor, and there's a chair there, and then we have a king-size bed, and they brought us a little cot for Sarah, and that's about all that's in here. I mean, there's just so you can see, we got some clothes drying still, but that's our like closet. And then there's the TV and a little nightstand with all of our stuff piled all over it because we got a lot of stuff. It's kind of a long day of travel and I look kind of a mess, but yeah, we're here and we have a couple of hours of rest time, and then we are going to go to meet with a tour guide, and he's going to take us all around Haridwar and give us like a whole tour of the area and all of that. All right, you guys. So we are in a horse-driven tuk-tuk or whatever. I guess this is the oldest form of transportation in India, and it's kind of cool. I'll show you the video from the front, but this is awesome. Hi guys. So this is the action cam video. We'll compare and see how it's different. But, oh my gosh, how rad is this?
This is magic.
This is so cool. Oh my freaking god. I was like, what up? Right, like,
Nothing.
oh, so cool.
This is it. 2 of them.
This is so cool. How awesome.
This is authentic for you. Oh, another cow.
You guys are so excited about the cows. They like the cows. Oh, it's bright. Okay. Wow, wow. Sweets! Oh, he just threw a firecracker! I looked right at him too. I thought he was going to eat his sweet and he threw it at us.
Yeah, I looked at him too because I was like, he's going to even try to sell us something. Because I saw his eyes.
Nope, I won't pull.
Otherwise, he'll run away.
I won't pull.
Okay.
I can't tell where it's at unless it's too. Okay, G. Bus, G. Thank you. Dhanyavad. The busiest road in Haridwar.
And I'm really sorry for all these horns.
No, be sorry. We expected it.
Have this habit.
We knew. Before we came, we knew it was going to be a thing. We're fine. Wow, look at that one. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, being on the busiest street in Haridwar during Diwali on a horse buggy. Oh, wow, look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So much to look at.
I don't know.
Come back, we'll come by walking. So
Yeah, okay.
Nice.
Huh.
This is 1937.
Oh, that building is
Wow.
be going inside these when we come back.
Okay.
So this is just idea how the market look like, and when we come back we see the real thing.
Okay, perfect.
Like more lights up and by the time we return.
Because it is evening and a lot of light, a lot of decorations.
Okay.
You love that.
Oh, yes. Oh, this is so magic. Like, it's weird.
Lotus fruit.
Lotus fruits. Oh, those are lotus?
Lotus fruits.
Oh, wow.
And they, they steam it.
Okay.
Chestnut.
भाई यहीं तक जाएगा?
Chestnut is what we call.
This is a chestnut.
Chestnut is a lotus.
Okay. Okay.
Trying the food. So we have, what is this again?
Shahi paneer.
Shahi paneer and naan. And then we have our chutney and pickled onion and pickled mango.
Right, only 1 point.
Hey, जल्दी से वापस देखो. See,
There.
it is.
1 liter. Take there inside.
Wow.
Take inside. Right, come. Go in that, madam. Take hand. Take their hand.
Take it in your hand.
Take their hand. Go
Where's
in
the
there.
boy?
It's gone.
Hello, this 3 balls.
What
1,
happened?
2, 3. Give me my coins.
Give me his coin.
No, only 1 there, Papulu.
What?
How is
Excuse
it?
me. There
Yeah.
1 ball Israel. 1 ball Israel go. 1 ball England. England go. No ball England. You country? You country?
America.
America.
America go. 1
He's
ball
gone to
come.
America.
2 ball come. 3 ball come.
Whoa.
1 ball inside. 1 inside. Take my 1 hand. Go. 2 ball.
Whoa.
3 ball.
Whoa.
Hello there, coin.
Huh.
Coin there inside. Coin inside.
Whoa.
Only my magic.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Give him some 50.
Okay, so we're doing our walk now, and wow, this is so cool. That horse ride was like one of the best things I've done in so long. That was so fun. So yeah, that's awesome, and now we're walking. I have to watch where I'm going, so I'm not going to record this way for very long, but I'll show you guys everything we see, mostly. Bye! This is so much fun! Ooh, now we go downhill. Woohoo! Holy shnikes! I got the giggles so bad back here, you guys. This is crazy. This is like absolutely crazy.
Oh, speakers everywhere.
Speakers everywhere.
Oh yeah. So like you said, the calls, the whatever.
Spiritual songs.
Okay.
पहले सामने से देखेंगे हमारे पंडा है ना 3 नंबर गद्दी पांडे जी की उस पे बैठते हैं
आशु भाई कुछ लोग यहाँ के छोटे चूतियाँ हैं। अरे लगेगा ताले।
Wow, look.
Oh my gosh.
I thought I dropped something. So pretty.
I already
Oh. So cold. So what's the proper way to touch and throw on your forehead?
Because it is giving the life to many people.
No, go inside.
Just thank from your heart that she is giving life to many people.
Singing in praise of the river.
Uh-huh.
be brought in on the shoulder. And one will be kept here, where the music party is standing, and other on that side.
I will. Thank you. Dhanyavad.
बेटा लिया 100 रुपए ले ले अंकल से दे दो भैया
आएंगे शाम आएंगे रात रात बोलो शाम आएंगे
I love it. It's so fun. Hold it and make a prayer, make a very good prayer, and then put it down and swish away.
Just look at it, look at me with the okay now go. Kind of things in Diwali. You see that? The line of fire?
Oh!
Small earthen pots.
Oh, okay.
They decorate this in their homes in Diwali.
Ah!
Now, the ceremony is over.
Woo! Yay!
Our name.
Sarah.
For the woman in the left hand and for the man it's in the right hand.
Ah! Why? What's the reason? No,
Just
the way it is. Okay.
इनके भी बांध दो बड़े. Okay.
We're in the oldest market in Haridwar.
A sweet shop.
Ooh! Mmm.
This is rasgulla. This is what? This is kheer mohan. There are different kind of. This is gulab jamun, kala jamun.
Milk, sugar.
Those
Wow.
are
Pretty, yeah. So we just spent some awesome time in this bead shop learning about rudrakshas and all other kinds of stones. It was really amazing. Like Baba.
Okay, let's what did you do the first?
Happy to
सिर का कसूर है रात रात बोलो शाम आएंगे आएंगे शाम आएंगे रात रात बोलो शाम